What's up, everybody? Shamil here with New Auto Glass, and today I got for you blades, company Kimbridge Everything Auto Glass from Canada. Send me blades from my tool and want me check them out. I got them a couple days ago. I haven't even got them out of the box. Just ripped the envelope and I looked at it, and this is what they look like. See, still haven't been opened. We got a power tool blade, stainless steel here. It's supposed to fit in your extractor or Milwaukee, the tool that I use, and also the slim one, also stainless steel. So open it, open the big one. There we go. Oh, this is clean, sharp. So I'm gonna use this on a car. I already cut the side, top. I just left the bottom. I'm gonna use my Milwaukee extractor tool that I like to use every time I use my zip knife. I cut the bottom with that tool, so I don't have to push it with my head and hurt my neck. So let me show you. All right, here's a Buick. So the top sides are cut. Clip right there, I was cutting with zip knife, got caught, broke it, I pushed it, cracked it, it's fine. So the bottom now, I'm gonna use this blade and cut the bottom. And since there's nothing on the bottom to scratch, these are good blades to use. And I'm gonna test it. I mean, it looks good. It's stainless steel, it's sharp. This is my van, a little messy here. My last day of the job. I got a Nissan Envy, and someone hit me in the back 2 weeks after I got the van. Anyway, let me get the tool. All right, I got my extractor here with the blade. I had this tool since 2016. Still looks brand new because I barely use it. Got a blade on it. I think I had to cut last week. Yeah, last week. Today is Tuesday, so last week I had a Ford. Yeah, I had a Ford Econoline and couldn't get it out. Used this tool. There was this much glue on it as usual. So, and this is what I use. I haven't used this in a while also because everything is WRD or Raptor. So let's see how this tool fits. So let's take this out, pop this out. This blade fits in here. Lock. Perfect. Let's see the other one. This looks cool. It's thin. I haven't used blades like this. This is probably going to be good for the bottom for me with this one. But let's see. Fits. And you lock it. Lock it. Oh, look at that. Gives you extra space at the bottom so you don't scratch the dash with this part. All right, fits perfectly in this one. Let's see what it looks like on this tool. Just twist it, put it on. Hold on, this way. And fits perfectly too. There's a little wobble in my tool. There's usually a washer here. I lost it, but still without the washer I use it. I recommend putting a washer here so less wobble, less pressure on the blade, and you don't break it. Here we go. This is a little too long for this because there's no support. It's easy, probably gonna break. It's gonna wobble. It's just gonna go all over the place. So this blade I would recommend it only with the extractor, unless you have a cover here. So I'm gonna use this blade. And again, blades were sent to me by Kimbridge And there's their information right there. I'll put all that information in the description. So they have 200 products of universal moldings. They have Marcy moldings, fiber lines. They have blades for cold knives, for zip knives, and they these torpedo blades. That's what they call torpedo. I've seen one at the small distributor here in New Jersey, but since I didn't need one, I didn't buy it. I figured I'll buy it when I need one because mine is. Oh, what's going on? My camera just went blank because my blade is still good, so I didn't buy it. I figured I'll test it out next one when I need a new blade, but they sent me a new blade. All right, let's check it out. Okay, I'm inside the car, Buick. This is just with the condensation sensor, nothing extra. Mirrors off. The top, again, it's cut, it's all loose, so just the bottom. So we're gonna spray water now at the bottom. So the blade could cut easier. You know, when I cut with the fiber line, sometimes when I can't pull it, it feels like it's stuck. You spray water on the blade, on the line. If you know, outside from the bottom, it cuts better. I don't know why. Helped me a few times. Maybe it's just me. And this is cut. I mean, this is sprayed. So let's cut it. This thing is sharp, easy cut. I like it, and it's stainless steel. All right, the cut with torpedo blades, easy cut, very sharp, stainless steel, flexible but strong, feels strong. But I do have a control of this because it doesn't have a support here. You gotta be careful because with this, if you bend it, it's gonna snap, and your blade just gonna be useless. Believe me, in the beginning happened to me, but now I got a full control of it. And using this with the blade, you don't have to use the knife, long knife, so you push with your head. I don't recommend that. I've been in this business since 2007, on my own since 2009, and it's a long time. I don't want the neck problems. So yeah, definitely recommend this blade. Check it out. It's torpedo blades right there. And it's by Kimbridge Everything Auto Glass, and they in Canada. I will put their website description in the description. Check them out. Order one. See if you like it. I mean, we gotta support each other. It is a small business. Auto Glass community is a small community, and all we got is each other. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. And again, check them out. Peace.